From structure, heating, ventilation, automated feeding, to feed storage and delivery systems, significant innovations in poultry technology have made the industry more efficient and productive, while providing safer products for consumers. In just a few years, plastic slatted floors have set a new standard in poultry farming, especially in this Asia region. How does a slatted floor benefit your farm? Here are the top 10 facts on the innovation of a Cumberland plastic slatted floor. Number 10. A cutting-edge design. Cumberland has pioneered the manufacturing and usage of plastic slatted floors in a closed-house system since 2009. The high-quality material uses high-impact, wear-resistant polypropylene plastic for durability. It's definitely not just any ordinary flooring. It's an innovation that has gone through hundreds of hours of research and development, field application tests, and constructive feedback from farmers. A series of tests, including load tests, dynamic tests, and strength tests, ensure that it can hold at least 120 kilograms or 265 pounds of standing or walking body weight. The interlock design system is precision cut on all four sides so that the slats can fit securely on the support frames. This is a key feature as the slats remain in locked position to support any activity. The birds can walk comfortably on the slatted floor without risk of injury, allowing the workers to perform their jobs safely too. Here, we're talking intense activities for the whole farm on a day-to-day basis for years and years. Number 9. A clean and dry farm. A clean and dry floor provides a great environment for birds. One of the key properties of a plastic slat is to be non-water absorbent. As the birds live on the surface of a non-abrasive slatted floor, they do not have direct contact with manure, therefore are healthier. Plastic slats minimize the risk of common infections like respiratory disease, parasitic infections, breast blisters, and foot pad dermatitis. Healthy birds lead to healthy profits. Moreover, the design of the elevated structure and slatted floor makes cleaning and disinfecting a fast and easy process. Number 8. Corrosion-free and rot-proof. The floor is always dry because droppings are separated from the slatted floor. The rot-proof solid plastic material is corrosive-free and does not hide contaminants or harbor bacterial growth, while the floor support trusses and beams are treated for excellent corrosion resistance. Records show that the structure is as good as new after 5 years of full-round production. Number 7. Minimum maintenance. The combination of clean, dry, and rot-proof features, together with Cumberland's positive closed house structure, contribute to minimum maintenance throughout production cycles. Number 6. Minimizing harmful gas and dust. A dry house floor significantly decreases the accumulation of harmful gases such as ammonia and carbon dioxide. Great news for the birds and the farmers. The house has less accumulated dust compared to a deep litter floor. Number 5. Great ventilation. Ventilation on the slatted floor area provides evenly distributed air movement across the slats to provide a comfortable ambiance for the birds. Ventilation below the slatted floor removes these harmful gases from the house. So, in an elevated slatted floor, the surroundings are cooler due to the large availability of air volume ventilating around the whole structure. Furthermore, other parts of the structural design promote natural ventilation. The drop ceiling provides free additional R3 for thermal effect. The roof and attic vents prevent heat and moisture accumulation. Number 4. Cooler environment and energy savings. great ventilation makes temperature control easy for a tropical farm. The Cumberland slatted floor solution is able to maintain the desired temperature consistently for the broiler house. Besides that, the insulation solution used in the whole structure, such as the design of an airtight house with sidewalls of all 3 tiers, exterior wall sheathing, fiberglass wall and plastic sheets with UV stabilizer contribute to a cooler environment. Overall, the running time for fans reduced by at least 10% to 15%. A cooler environment in a tropical farm translates to great energy savings. Number 3. Cost effective. Let's look at some of the obvious cost savings. Number 1. Minimum maintenance cost throughout production cycles. Number 2. Fast and easy cleaning and disinfecting reduces utility costs. Number 3. No bedding cost because a slatted floor is installed once and for all, permanently. It is suitable for all stages of bird growth, and savings per house is a minimum of $8,000 on wood shavings per year. Number 4. The above factors all contribute to lower labor costs. Number 5. A cooler environment reduces fan runtime for energy savings by a minimum of 10% to 15%. Number 6. Savings on average of US 3 cents per bird on vaccination and vitamins, with the potential to save the equivalent of $9,000 per flock as a result of healthier birds. Savings are a great advantage. You can earn as much as $330 per flock or $1,980 per year from manure collection on a 6-cycle production. While the initial investment of a slatted house may be higher than an equivalent deep litter floor, the return on investment justifies every cent spent. Number 2. A proven solution. In fact, the slatted floor concept is not new. The slatted floor solution offers adjustable high-low pans according to the requirements of different stages of growth and contribute to efficient farm operations. Slatted floor effectiveness has been proven since 2009, and it's already adopted in many successful modern farms around Asia. Number 1. Better FCR and growth rate. A slatted house offers advantages in increased levels of biosecurity, resulting in better feed conversion rates, which leads to greater growth and faster times to market harvesting. Compared to wooden slats and deep litter, the improvement on flock livability is at least 2% to 3%. That is, over $6,000 more profit per house per flock, or over $36,000 per annum per house in your bank account. At Cumberland, we build for what's next. What we do is beyond just enhancing farm efficiency. It is also about saving a huge sum of money for maximum profitability by adopting the best-in-class industry-standard technology. At Cumberland, we engineer products that are proven and dependable.